Hey Rob, you ever set up a hammock? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road. So today what we're doing is a product review because we are out camping for the Hardline Heat Tour. If you guys don't know what that is, we're hitting a bunch of hard trails over the summertime. We're coming towards the end of our tour, but we're out on a camping trip and I wanted to try some different styles of camping because usually on my Tacoma I usually carry an RTT, which, you know, those are good in some situations, some not, you know, because we're going to be moving around a lot and doing a lot of rock crawling, you know, carrying around a tent that you have to, you know, put away and set up every single night, it's kind of annoying. So I wanted to do something that's a little bit more portable and then something that's a little bit better suited for being able to keep my vehicle, you know, kind of mobile and everything like that. Now other options obviously is doing like a actual, you know, flat ground tent, which I do have one of those. I'm usually not a fan of those because you have to bring a bunch of extra stuff in order to make that work, you know, such as a mattress, you know, air mattress, whatever you're gonna do, you know, the freaking high density foam, whatever all that nonsense is. But anyways, the one that we're going to be reviewing today, I picked up from Amazon, and it is the Commounds, I think it's Commounds, C-O-M-M-O-N-U-N-D-S, I'm put it right here, Commounds. I don't know how to say it, but picked it up from Amazon. It's actually a hammock that doubles as a tent, and it also includes a mosquito net as well as a rain tarp. So it's meant to be, you know, more waterproof. It's meant to be used, you know, in a variety of different situations, you know, whatever kind of camping that you're doing. And it's meant to be something that's a lightweight option that you can, you know, kind of have as portable and hopefully not too hard to set up. So what we're going to be doing today is we'll show you what's inside the box. Now you have no boxes, you just have two bags that it comes in, and then we'll show you what's inside the bags and everything that you need to set it up. And then we picked out two trees right there that we're gonna get set up on, and then over the weekend I'll kind of give you guys some feedback on sleeping in them. Now I'm a big boy, I'm over 300 pounds. I picked up a two-person one because this one can carry up to 660 pounds. So it's going to be a lot of fun trying this out. I've slept in a hammock before. I've never camped in a hammock. So I think it's going to be an interesting situation. You know, we've had guys do it on the Rubicon before, so I know it can be done. I've seen people do it before, but we're going to be interested in trying it out. It's going to be a lot of fun. So first off, we're going to get started with what's in the bag, and then we'll show you how to set it up, and then we'll continue with the review part. So getting started with what's actually inside of the two bags, I'm going to go with the lighter one first because I believe this is the less important stuff, maybe the stuff that you're not going to need every single time. I believe this is going to be the rain fly. So that's it rolled up right there, and then it's going to have some hardware on the inside. It's going to have its own separate bag with some other stuff. Let's see what's in here. So we got a couple paracords. So you obviously tie this up to each tree. You have some paracords as well as some stakes. Now the stakes are for, I'll show you what they are for later, but you can actually set up the rain fly to where it'll attach to the ground on each side, so the hammock will be like this, and then it'll kind of spread out like that. The rain fly, we're not going to worry about that just yet. I will set it up in this video, but first we're going to get started with the actual important stuff, the juicy stuff. Now what I'll say, you know, first feedback, the bags are nice quality. They're actually like pretty sturdy. It's not as cheap as, like, I hate to say it, but like some of the Ozark stuff, you know, some of the cheaper camping equipment, that stuff is usually like, feels like these bags are going to rip pretty easily. These ones feel pretty good, so I'm not too mad at that. Getting into the main part of the bag, so you have two tree straps. So this is what you're going to use to actually attach it to the trees. And then let's check out the rest. So based off this material, I'm going to guess this is the actual hammock. Okay, fun fact, I didn't know the bag is actually a part of the freaking hammock. That's pretty cool. So you learn things every day. Look at that, it's stitched right on there. So we can actually, then we have some paracord right here. So I'm guessing that's to tie some extra stuff off. So this will actually come out like so. The one thing I'll say when it comes to this is it did not come with instructions. Now I'm sure there's instructions online, but for us, you know, people that are kind of newer or, you know, setting up something for the first time, or we don't want to search that hard, you know, you should have put instructions in the box. So no instructions, but we're going to show you how to do it here so you don't have to worry about it. So these must be rated for pretty high strength. Now they do feel like a lot better than the keyring ones that you'll usually see out there. Like I said, what's pretty cool is that everything is part of the bag, which is pretty cool. So the actual bag to put it all away is right there. And then here's our hammock. I got a red one. So it looks pretty cool. That's pretty much how it's going to be set up right there. It's going to be set up like so. So let me put that down. We're going to put the tree straps up, and then we'll kind of figure out what we're going to do from there. Okay. So got one of our straps. You know, the height is really going to be depending on like how you want to set it. I'm going to set mine kind of high because I am heavier, so I'm going to expect it to sag a little bit. So I'm going to set the top one probably right about here, which is a little taller than me. So that's right there. That's about even. All right, with both of those set up, I'm going to just connect it and see if the length is going to work. Because if not, then we're going to have to try something new. All right, now it's set up. Spoiler warning, I already tried it, it works. So I still need to set up some stuff, but mosquito net, it is built in. Now what's cool is if you don't want to use a mosquito net, you just flip it over and then you're gonna have no mosquito net. Now I have my questions on whether or not this is actually a two-person one, but who am I to judge? You just gotta trust it. I'm in. So next, gonna take the two paracords and then I'm gonna tie above that to the mosquito net so that we're gonna be nice and protected.
This is how my back goes out. Part one.
So mosquito net is now finished. So Rob's gonna be our two people.
1.5. Ooh.
Impressed?
Hey, not bad.
Not bad, huh?
But this ain't zipping. Oh, it is zipping. I'm comfy, man.
Yeah. A plus, 60, 65, look. 70 bucks. So
my life depending on 70 bucks. That's a strong 70 bucks, man. Yeah, dude, I don't know how I'm gonna get out. I would be stuck here
forever. Help me out here, Rob.
Help me out here.
All right, get up.
I can't.
Are you serious?
It keeps pushing me back.
Well, I have long legs, so I should be better off.
I'm sleeping good in this thing. Hey. This thing's killer.
Is it?
Yeah. I actually sleep good in it.
Rocking back and forth?
Mm-hmm.
In your little baby burrito? Dude, this is sleeping right here next to the Blair Witch Project forest.
I know.
Oh, hell no. And he got like the outer edge of the camp. So if he's the first to go, he's the first to go.
I'm the warning shot.
Yeah.
All right, let's continue some feedback on our new hammock tent, because this thing has actually been quite enjoyable. Now, as for the rest of the things going on, stay tuned on the channel. Hardline Heat Tour, Bald Mountain, Swamp Lake was a hell of a time. There'll be a lot more on that on another video, but getting back to our hammock tent, I'm gonna be honest, this thing has been very nice for me. Very comfortable. You know, plenty of space. You know, being a two-person hammock, you know, a big boy like me fits in here just fine. Mosquito net has done a great job keeping bugs out. The zippers, easy to use, not getting caught up. Everything seems pretty good quality. You know, I've now slept in it 2 nights, and I gotta say, you know, I have a 0-degree sleeping bag, and it has been so comfy. I've been sleeping very well at night. So feedback so far is very good. Now I'm going to sleep in here again tonight, and then like I said, we will get the rainfly, you know, the tarp set up at some point so that we can show you guys how that looks. But this thing's real cool so far. Feedback is solid.
A few inches later.
Just in time, we set up the rainfly and it's raining. Oh, this is terrific. Love it.
Tomorrow for sure.
All right, here we are, morning of day 3. So 3rd night camping in this. Actually had to set up the rainfly last night because we did catch a teensy bit of rain, just enough to justify using this thing. It also worked very well, allowing me to sleep in a little bit because I didn't have so much sunlight shining on me, you know, right first thing in the morning. So that was kind of nice as well. But it kind of sets up pretty simple. You know, I already took the stakes out of the ground, but there was 4, 2 on each side. Then it just ties to the top, and it's pretty solid from there. But overall, gotta say, after a full camping trip with this thing, I really like this hammock. It's a good option for people, you know, looking for a quick, easy setup for camping, you don't want to do like a ground style tent, or you don't have an RTT on your vehicle, it's a really good option for those types of people. And it does feel pretty sturdy. Like I said, you know, I'm a bigger boy, and this one held me just fine, so no real problems right there. So I put this in the recommended column. I would definitely check it out. I'll have a Amazon link below. You guys can check it out. It's a pretty cheap option, comes with everything that you need to get set up, and then you kind of go from there. But that is a quick review of the Commounds Hammock. Whoa, that locust is loud. That is a quick review on the Commounds Hammock tent camping setup thingamabobber. But we're all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You know, sister for shirt, tats, hoodies, and those other goodies. dirtnationoffroad, gmail.com. Until next time, thank you guys. Let's get it. Now, mosquito net, you can see it has all right, so test, you know, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road.